Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, as we are not debating the bill per se today, it's about the motion itself. We, of course, can debate the bill on Thursday, but just to respond to some of the matters that have been raised from the other side, Mr. Speaker, sir, which I'm sure we'll discuss further on Thursday. The reason why it has been left open, Honourable Tambuya, is because we have the ability to attract many good people as possible, and we don't want to restrict ourselves. You could actually have a situation, perhaps the VC of a university could be appointed, and that VC could have a legal background, could be a law professor. They don't necessarily have to be the dean per se. So by actually specifically stating the dean, we're actually limiting ourselves. And again, I think the issue that was raised by the Honourable Minister Reddy about conflicts, etc., that needs to be managed also in the same way that we are saying that we could have deans and professors of law from other jurisdictions from outside of Fiji, which obviously will be critical. In respect of the day-to-day functioning of this board, general members of the Fijian public don't have anything to do with this board. This board specifically is about those people who want to become legal practitioners. And the curriculum in respect of the curriculum has been set by the Legal Education Board itself, and the requirements by the Legal Education Board. It's not about any average Polyasi or Ramprasad walking down the street that they get affected by the Legal Education Board. No. It's about those people who carry out studies in law. So to come here and pontificate and say this is going to affect the rights of people down the street, no, it won't. It's about the quality of education and the processes and the recognition of qualifications of law schools and the people going to get admitted to the bar. That's what it's about. So please, don't mislead the public by saying it's about ordinary citizens in that respect or day-to-day issues. So again, Mr. Speaker, sir, we also, as you can see, are putting in more stringent measures that those people who do get appointed to this board, apart from the Chief Justice and the Solicitor General Chief Registrar, the others who get appointed to the board, they must come to the board. They cannot send some, emissary for themselves or some substitute. And that's what's actually been happening in the past. You have sometimes deans that have been sending other people who have absolutely no legal knowledge, just simply to represent them or represent the university. So we are trying to get the quality of the education board to be a lot better. So, Mr. Speaker, I don't have any further comments as we will be debating this bill itself on Thursday. Thank you.